So the first thing that needs to be done is we got to go around the front here and disconnect the generator battery. It will backfeed 12 volts to the house batteries. They're connected with a diode so that they charge this battery, but it does not discharge. I've already loosened this. We're going to just remove the positive post terminal and put a rag over it, make sure it doesn't touch. Go to the back and disconnect the charger so it won't charge anymore. So I've upgraded this bus to a Xantrex Freedom 458 charger, and it plugs in here. So I'm just going to unplug that, and then we can start removing all our battery cables. Got to be careful with sparks around these batteries. The lead acid batteries emit hydrogen gas and it can explode. I'm wearing safety glasses and using precautions while working with these batteries.